The third vowel is I. Look! This is the uppercase I. And this is the lowercase I. The letter I has a short sound and a long sound. Let's learn how to pronounce it. The letter I says its name as a long sound. The long sound of I is pronounced as I. Let's read some words with the I sound. I, bike. I, island. I, night. We can also pronounce this vowel as a short sound, I. The short sound of I is pronounced as I. Words that have the short sound of I are I, insect, I, swim, I, pin. Are you ready to write the letter I? Great! Hold your pencil to write the uppercase I. We start at the top and make a line down like this. We go back to the top and make a line across. Lastly, we go to the bottom and make another line across. Now we will write the lowercase I. We start in the middle and make a line down. Then we go to the top and make a dot like this. Did you write it correctly? Great! Today we learned about the letters A, E, and I. We also learned that each letter has two sounds. The letter A has the sounds A and A. The letter E has the sounds E and E. And the letter I has the sound I and I.